looking at the 12 people on the ballot paper.
You're not convinced?
I'm not convinced.
Oh, why?
Well, life is such that you are never going to have that comprehensive outlook of people where you are going to have everybody or everything you want in one person.
Yeah.
But so far, the policies are so scattered. You can't really pinpoint who should actually do the job.
Wow.
Because if you have, say, one person taking good policies in addition with another person's policies, that would be a great mix for me. But then it's like this person is saying this thing, which would have been best if it went together with this person's thing. But then that person too is like, of pride or something, they don't want to bring that policy into their game. So looking at it, I'm not really convinced.